If you want to know how you can make a following teddy bear just like this one in Roblox Studio, make sure to watch the video all the way to the end to find out exactly how to. Hey guys, and welcome back to this brand new tutorial on my YouTube channel, and in this tutorial I will be showing you how you can make an NPC teddy bear. And what I mean with that, for example, in Beeswarm Simulator, you have this cup teddy bear, you purchase it, it will follow you, and once you are out of distance, it's going to teleport back to you, because you have reached the limit, and it will teleport right back to you. So that is a quick tutorial on this. So I hope you are going to enjoy this tutorial. Give a like to this video if you like it. If you don't like it, give it a dislike. Subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications to never miss out on any video I create. Happy late new year. And without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So first of all, you need to go to view, and you need to click on Explorer and Properties. Now you need to go to Toolbox. As you can see, Toolbox. And now you want to type in, well, I'm just going to do teddy bear, and I'll probably get the Beeswarm Simulator ones. Nope. So let me just do cup bear, because that's Beeswarm. As you can see, here's the bear. I don't know if this is a good one. No, it's not. So you just need to get the you need to get the correct model. What's this? Nope. You just need to get the correct model. We can use this one, I think. Yep, as you can see, everything has something. So let's just use this one. And now you want to name it. What if you want? I'm just gonna call it Noob Bear, because the bear is kind of like a noob. Pretty much explains it. Now you can click Toolbox away and drag the Noob Bear into server storage. Now go to Starter Player. Go to Starter Player Scripts and add in a normal script. If you want, you can rename the script to Movement AI. I'm gonna call it Movement AI, which is like Movement Artificial Intelligence, which means it will learn more on how to walk and all that stuff. So that's pretty cool. And now we need to do the scripting. It's a pretty simple script. You just need to understand what it does. So first of all, we need the services. So local players is equals to game calling get service players. And what that does, if the player service does not exist, we will be creating it. Now we need the run service. So local run service is equals to game colon get service run service. Now we need the path finding service, and what that does, that's like the main thing of the entire bear. Path finding service lets the bear move around. So local path finding service like that is equals to game colon get service path finding service. As you can see, it's a pretty complicated word, but you get the point. And now we need to do local server storage is equals to game colon get service server storage. As you can see, now we got the player service, the run service, the path finding service, and the server storage service. That is a lot of services. Now we need our variables. So the bear, local bear, the bear, as we did, the bear is in server storage. So local bear is equals to server storage dot noob bear. Our bear is called noob bear, so that's why we are going to do server storage dot noob bear. Now we need to get the humanoid of the bear. So local bear humanoid is equals to bear dot humanoid. Now we need the humanoid root part. So local bear humanoid root part. Let's just call it bear humanoid root. Is equals to bear dot humanoid root. Oh no. Bear dot humanoid root part. Now we need the player. So local player is equals to the script dot parent. And you might be wondering, newbie, why script dot parent or why not local player? That is because starter character scripts is your player. So script dot parent, this is the player. Now we need the humanoid root part of the player. So local player humanoid root is equals to player dot humanoid root part. That is how you get all of your variables. Now we need some kind of cooldown, because we don't want the teddy bear to spam around. So cooldown, so local teleporting debounce is equals to false. It's a pretty long word, but you'll understand why soon. And now we need to set things up. So setting up, we need to put the bear.parent is equals to workspace. We have to put the bear in workspace. And bear.primary part. And now you have to do something complicated. Set network owner nil. And let's see what network does. So network sets the given player as network. Yep. So just set it to nil, which means it is no one's a network owner, which means it will run pretty smooth. Now we need a function. And that function is called follow player. So local function, just zoom in more. Local function follow player, open bracket, close bracket. We need to find the path. And to do that, we have to create one. So local path is equals to path finding service, create path. Now we need to always let the bear move to you. So local moving to position is equals to player humanoid root dot position. We are going to let the bear go to your humanoid root part position minus vector3.new 5 by 0 by 0, which means it will just come next to you and not in you or stuff like that. Now we need to compute the path. So local computed path is equals to path compute async. And we need to compute the bear.humanoid root part. We have to compute the position and the moving to position, because the humanoid root part is the bear itself, and we'll move it to ourselves, and then we're good to go. And now what we need to do is return path. We have to return it back to the server, and that's how you do it. Now we need a movement. So now we need to do run service dot stepped, and as you can see, let me just, what does it do? Hold on. Fires every frame prior to the physics simulation. So I think it's like after the frame has been rendered, it's going to run or something. So run service.step, connect function. And every time you step, the bear is going to follow you. So you want to do follow player. Now you want to type local path is equals to follow player. We have to put the path to the function. Now we need to let the bear actually move to you. Over here we computed a path, but now over here we're making the movement. So for underscore, comma v, or well, in this point, waypoint, in pairs, path, get waypoints do. So what that does, the waypoint is going to be everything in the waypoints, and then a waypoint is where the bear is going to move. So now bear humanoid, move to waypoint dot position. The waypoint is wherever the bear is going to go. Now we need to do one last thing, and that is to set the distance. So local distance is equals to, in brackets, player humanoid root dot position dot magnitude minus the one from the bear humanoid dot position dot magnitude. What that does, we will be calculating the distance between you and the bear, and if that is like out of range, we will be teleporting the bear back to you. So if distance is the same or higher as 25 studs, or the distance is lower or the same as minus 25, because magnitude can go in positive and negative, and if it is positive above 25 or negative below minus 25, we will be teleporting. So now, if teleporting debounce is equals to false, it will start off as false. We will be immediately setting it to true. So that means the script will not run because it has to be on false. Now we need to force the bear to teleport to you. So bear humanoid root dot cframe is equals to the one from the player humanoid root dot cframe, and we will be teleporting the bear behind you. So -5, well, cframe.new -5 by 0 by 0. What that does, it will just teleport back to you. We will be waiting 2 seconds for this cooldown, and then we will be setting it to true. So this is basically a little quick script on how to do it, and basically you're done now. But there's one last thing you have to do, because if you play the game, as you can see, play game, the bear is right over there, and it does not know how to move. So let's see what the error is. Attempt to index nil with set network owner. That means the primary part is nothing. Yep, primary part. Make sure you set the primary part to the humanoid root part. So now you can click play, and it should come to me. As you can see, the bear actually follows me. But you might be wondering, newbie, it doesn't have an animation. This looks ugly. That's exactly the point. In your game, like I'm playing right now, go to workspace, go to your player, and find this script, animate. Now right click on it, click copy. As you can see, copy. And now you just want to exit your game. Go to the bear and paste it in. But that's not it. Create a server script like this. Rename it to animate. By the way, you can just delete all of this. Now go into the local script and copy everything that's inside. So copy and paste it right in here. Go a little lines up. And what you can do, let's see. So create a bindable function in here, and rename it to play emote like this. Play emote. And now just delete this line of code. So line 738 to 750, just boom. Just delete it, because it is not anything you need. Now you can safely delete the animate script, and this is everything you had to do. So let's try it out, and it should animate, but it probably uses my animations, or not. As you can see, it walks with me, and if you would stop, as you can see, it's just gonna whoop and whoop. It's gonna look around, and now when I move, it's just going to follow me. So now let's try and give myself some speed to see if it actually teleports. So humanoid, walk speed 50. Let's see if we go far away. As you can see, if just wait for a bit. And maybe not. I don't think the bear likes to teleport. So let's see what the issue is. So as you saw, it didn't teleport back to me, and that is because I forgot. I put true over here, but you have to put false. So that's my mistake. I'm very sorry. So let's try it one more time. So we're going to click play. Okay, the bear is right over here. Yeah, I made it to print the distance. So let's go to my character, 50, and let's see if we walk right now. As you can see, boom, teleporting. After 2 seconds, we're still too far away, and it's going to repeatedly teleport back to us. So let's get the bear right over here. Yep, hello bear. So that is basically the tutorial, and I really hope you enjoyed it. And this is New Bear. Yes, he's really cute. So this is the tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed. Make sure to give a like, subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications, become a member, whatever you want. And all I can say is that my name is Newbie, and I say peace out.